This is a brand new MX-12. There was an hour on it when I got it. So I put maybe 2 hours on it, if that. I already got a freaking hydraulic leak. What the fuck? You fucking believe this? This is the AGT mini excavator. Just bought it. Paid $4,800 for it. Yeah, I'm a little bit upset. Yeah, I'm a lot upset. Hey Tubes, Detroit Redneck here. Okay, I got a bad seal. The seal's pushing out. When I started up, I got less than 2.5 hours on this machine. Let me show you the juice coming out. Hold on. Okay, I'm thinking if I pound that seal back in, I can put a washer on the outside of it to compress against the drive gear. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So the drive gear hold it in place. Just have it right on that washer, the extra washer on there. Okay. Well, I'm done for the night. I'm hoping it's something just as simple as that. Alright, Tubes. Trust in God, keep your powder dry. Oh, I just noticed that. Apparently when they loaded it onto the trailer, they hit that. Bastards. Alright. Alright, y'all have a great one. Oh, by the way, this is a AGT Industrial. It's a MX-12R. MX-12R. Alright. I've been up since 9 o'clock yesterday. It's 9 o'clock today. Almost 24 hours. Y'all have a great one. Take care. See you later. Bye. Okay, Tubes. I got this seal off. That's all it is. Apparently I banged it up a little bit, so I gotta see if I can't find a new one or straighten that one out. I think I was hitting it that hard, pushing it back in. Sure it was me. Yeah. See if I can find one. It's got a couple dings in it. Well, I push this back in there and put a washer on the outside, so the washer will be on here like that, and the washer will be pushing on the outside of this seal when I bolt the sprocket back on. That's the only thing I can figure. Alright, time to wrap this thing up for now. I'll get back with you in a day or so. Let you know. Alright. Worst comes to worst, I can redneck it up. Alright, Tibbs. Y'all take care. Trust in God, keep your powder dry. God bless my 45-47. Bye for now. Hey Tibbs, Detroit Redneck here. I was able to find some seals at a place up here in Michigan, and I'll stick in their address and their business card and everything. I got pictures of the seal numbers and everything and all that. Well, this is my pump. I'm sorry, this is my drive motor. This is supposed to go in there like that. I'm gonna lube it up a little bit before I do anything, and make sure it's nice and moist in there. Looks like it's gonna drop right in. My neighbor gave me this. This is some high temp fire protection pipe, and I'm gonna make a spacer to go between the seal and the sprocket so it don't flop around and pop back out. Alright, Tubes, back a little bit. Okay, Tubes, Detroit Redneck, I'm back. Alright, I had to rotate the shaft. As soon as I did, the pressure popped that seal out. So I made this out of that piece of fire protection plumbing. I'm putting that on there. Now I'm going to put my sprocket on. That should hold it in place. Alright, back in a bit. Alright, got the sprocket on there. Here's my spacer. Let's see if it works. I got the controls backwards. I put the hoses on backwards. I got to redo them. But this will do our test for now. Yeah, that filled that gap. Hopefully nothing leaks out anymore. Yeah, I think I see. Yeah, I see oil. Yep, it's coming out. Shit. Yeah, I got a little bit coming out. All right, I'll be back. All right, Tubes, I'm back. All right, I got my spacer in there. I made up some distance with some Pringles can plastic, and I got her on there pretty snug. If I need to, I can probably put some more in there, but I got like 6 layers of the Pringles can plastic, and it needs to move. It can't be held tight against the outside of the seal. So let's see what we got. See, what's happening is my spacer is riding on the seal. That's just going to cut into the plastic or the rubber of the seal. That's not good. I'm going to take it back off again and put some of them plastic shims between the seal so they don't tear the seal up as much. Alright, okay, here we go again. I put the same stack back in there of the orange thing and the lids off the Pringles can, but I greased all the different layers. So it's got lubrication. Let's see what we got. Well, it don't seem to be leaking. Well, I think we can try to put it back together and zip it around the yard a couple of times maybe. Alright, well, one problem at a time. I think I'm going to have to put a dust cover over that, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, alright, that's one problem at a time. Alright, bye for now. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I took the other one off of the, took the other track off. The same seal on this side. It's holding, but what I did do is put another spacer between that one, so if it don't blow out, I do have the extra seal that I bought at Bearing Supply Company. I took the oil fill off, ran my magnet on the stick in there, whole bunch of loose shavings in there. So what I'm doing now, I got 6 of these. I got them from China Freight, and I'm going to put them on the inside and a couple on the outside of the metal. I'm going to stick them on top of the screen also, and put the magnets around at least 3 magnets around the screen, so to catch the crap before it gets in there. Yeah, that's about it. I whacked my head on the damn on the boom. I got to check the oil here in a little bit. It does have a drain plug, but I do not have anything to put the oil into to see the condition of it is. I did have my hand in there. It does look fairly clear, but one thing at a time. One thing at a time, tubes. All right, back at you in a little bit. All right, tubes, we have a failure here. Yep, it blew out. I got a trail of oil throughout my whole yard. I don't know what to do. I got the seals in there. I can maybe put a double stack seal on it, but it's a tapered shaft, so that double stack seal ain't gonna do much. Conveniently, these guys sell new hydraulic drive motors with locking seals on them. They got a locking head on it, 6-bolt locking head, at $230 a piece plus shipping. Yay. Well, I'll tell you what, seems like I'm the guy that always gets the screwed up shit. So if I can't fix it factory, I'll redneck the shit out of it. Alright, tubes, I'm very frustrated and upset right now. You guys got any ideas, let me know. I don't want to spend another $500 and get the get the damn, if I buy one drive motor, I might as well buy two of them. You know. All right, tubes, y'all have a great day. Happy Father's Day. What really sucks is my oil tank's empty. I done put 3 gallons in it, 4 gallons in it, and the tank is totally empty from everything that leaked out of it. All right, I did drain the engine oil. It was nasty and black. I put a magnet on it and I got it sitting upside down to collect all the metal shavings on the lid. So make sure you drain all your fluids and clean them out. I got to put a magnet on the bolt for my drain plug. I put a magnet on that. That should attach a few things to it, all the crap from it. All right, tubes. Trust in God, keep your powder dry. All right. God bless my 45-47. Bye for now. Can't see it. Oh, there it is.